Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video, and today I've got something to show you that even I can't believe myself. It's a luxury watch for about $8. Is this even possible? I mean, the packaging and the shipping alone must cost more than $8, but we're going to take a look at that watch and see if it's worth the $8 price tag that it commands. But before I get started, as always, I just wanted to shout out to all of my current subscribers and say thank you guys all so much. I really do appreciate all of your interaction with the channel, your liking, subscribing, your thumbs up. It all does help out. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't ever believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if you'd like to check out my website, that's at davethewatchman.com, where I also showcase most of the watches that I do review here on this channel and provide affiliate links so you guys can head on over, pick those watches up and wear them for yourself. So without further ado, let's get into what we have today. I do have a lot of watches. I got a big shipment in from AliExpress, and I have quite a few watches to go over. I have even more than this in my backup, but this is what I'm going to go over today. I got a bunch of watches, and none of the watches that you're going to see here are more than $20, except for maybe one. The one that I'm wearing right now is a $25 watch, but we'll get into that. There's a little bit of an issue with that one, and we'll get into that in just a minute. Let's take a look at this. Let's do this one here. This was a watch that I had to actually repurchase. This is a watch by the company Podigar, P-O-D-A-G-A-R. Let's see if we can get a close-up view watch. All right, it's by a company called Podigar, and I picked this watch. I've gone over this watch before, and I actually have another video where I tell you guys, that I had purchased one of these watches. I lost it on a cruise ship or somewhere. I don't even know where I lost it. But this watch is a very, very nice watch that homages a much higher end luxury brand without the price tag. I looked at the watch that this one is supposed to homage. It was somewhere in the $800 range. It was very, very tempting to buy it because I really, really loved the way it looks. And I was able to find this homage watch for somewhere in the neighborhood of $15. I will be posting links to these watches so you guys can check them out. Those are affiliate links, so they do not cost you anything more to click on them, but they do send a couple of dollars over to me if you decide to purchase these watches. That is very much appreciated. As you can see, it still has the plastic on it. It has not been unwrapped, but it is nonetheless a very, very nice watch. Now, the reason why I picked this Podigar watch is because I saw something kind of funny on, it was on, I think it was Facebook, one of the reels, where they were talking about watches. Here's another Podigar watch. And the funny thing was, the video was actually showcasing some of these Podigar watches with the same brand, everything the same. And then you clicked on the link to go check out the watches, and they were selling these watches, these exact same watches, for in the mid hundreds, like $200, $300. And I can honestly tell you guys, and I will post the links to these below, do not do it. Those Podigar watches are extremely overpriced. These watches are available all day long, every day on AliExpress for less than $20 in most cases. I don't think I spent more than $50. I don't think I spent more than $30 for both of these watches combined, including shipping on AliExpress. So if you do come across some of those videos that claim that these are high-end luxury watches that rival the biggest names, yeah, they look great. They're beautiful watches, but they're not worth $200. These are very, very inexpensive watches, and they look great. So when you see this Podigar name and you see a price that's in the hundreds of dollars, please do not make the mistake and overpay for these watches. These watches are extremely budget friendly. They're very good quality watches for what you pay, and do not overpay for these watches. So if you have seen those videos and you're tempted to go over there and spend a couple of $100, check out this video first. It's the Podigar watch, and it is not as expensive as they're saying that they are. But yeah, both of these watches very, very nice. I love the look of both of these. I love that color. You guys know I'm a huge fan. If you've been watching my channel, you know I'm a huge fan of that aqua color. So I really, really do like these watches. And they're, like I said, very, very inexpensive. Obviously, they're not automatics. They are quartz movements. They do have the crystal is a mineral crystal. It's not, these don't have all the bells and whistles. But if you want a nice looking watch that is accurate and just dependable and looks great on your wrist, check out these Poedagar watches. I'll put that link below in the description. Another good brand is going to be Lige. Lige is a great watch. Let's open up this and see which one this one is. Oh, okay. This is the Liege Bangwei. This watch, actually, I get a lot of comments on this watch. Every time I do a video where this watch is either in the case or I'm wearing it on my wrist, I get a lot of people saying, wow, what's that watch that you have on your wrist? It does have that Tiffany color blue, and it is an homage to a much, much more expensive watch. Once again, I don't say the names of the watches that these homage, but again, if you know, you know. Very, very beautiful watch. I have a few of these watches. The reason why I have a couple of these watches is because sometimes I actually sell these watches right off my wrist in public. People will come up to me and ask me, what kind of watch this is, where did I get it? And I will actually sell it to them. I've sold it to a couple of friends, and I've had to actually order them for friends of mine as well. But these watches are available on AliExpress as well, and I think the price range on these was somewhere in the $15 price range. Very, very nice watches. Good quality. I've never had any issues with them. I think I had one that I ordered once where the second hand or the minute hand started jumping at the 11 o'clock position, but they instantly I contacted AliExpress, and they sent me the shipping label so I could return it, and I just ordered another one. But very, very nice watches by Lige called Bangwei. And I really, really love the color on this watch. I really love the style of this watch, and I love the compliments that I get when I wear this watch. Almost everybody loves this watch. Another watch by Lige that I'm quite honestly gonna say I'm not too impressed with. And I really like Lige watches, but this one's kind of like more of a sporty watch, and I figured, I'll give it a shot. It looked nice online, but I'm gonna have to say it feels very, very light in the hand. Almost feels kind of like a toy watch, the way the buttons feel. This watch was probably, I think I paid about $9 for this watch. Now, please do not leave the comments saying, what do I expect for a $9 watch? That's getting old. The object of this channel is to show you cheap watches. Sometimes you can get them really, really low priced and get them good quality. Other times you can't. I'm making that mistake for you guys, and I'm showing you that. So no, when I buy a watch for $9 or $8, I don't expect it to perform like a high-end luxury brand watch. But I am surprised pleasantly many times by the fact that these are really good quality watches. So the comments about, oh, what did you expect for a $9 watch? Blah, blah, blah. Gets really old, guys. If you're here to make a comment like that, then you've missed the entire concept of my channel. The concept of my channel is to find watches that are low priced, that you guys can wear, that look good, and have decent quality without having to break the bank. So if you're not here for that, don't bother with the comments, just leave, okay? So this watch is one of the more disappointing ones. It still looks nice, but I think it just feels kind of cheap. I'm not a huge fan of these plasticky bands, the rubber bands. I don't really care much for these bands. overall, but this one just feels extremely cheap and flimsy. So this would be a no as far as I'm concerned. This watch just to me just feels very cheap and toy-like in quality. So that one's going to be a no-go, but it actually kind of surprises me for Lige because Lige is actually a really nice, affordable watch. And I have a couple of them by Lige. This is another one over here that I've got from Lige. This one is a dive style watch with a metal bracelet. And I think this is nice. The only thing that I regret about this purchase is the fact that it was the black dial. I should have picked like a blue or something else, because to me, I don't really care much for the all black. Oh, there's my buddy Shrody coming in for the video. Hey, bud. You saying hi to the camera? Huh? You saying hi to the camera? They haven't seen you in a while. All right, you got to get down in the middle of a video. Okay, so, great. Now I got cat hair all over me, and the watch. So, grab this right here. Yes, and I also recommend getting one of these little vacuum cleaners, guys. If you do have a watch collection, it's really convenient to be able to vacuum all of your watches for dust, things like that. It also comes with a brush connector, a couple of different connectors on it. But I really love it to clean my watch cases. Actually, you know what? I'll actually post a link to this in the description below. Also, it's a very convenient vacuum that you can plug in with the USB-C port. It charges up. It's cordless. It's very nice to have, especially if you have a lot of watches like me. It's great to like just vacuum up the dust and everything, you know. And keep your watches nice and clean and dust free. But anyway, this was the Lige watch that I bought. This one was probably, I want to say, I paid about $12 or $13 for this watch. Like I said, I wished I would have picked a better color, because the black and silver doesn't really appeal to me as much as the colorful watches do. The only other thing that bothers me about it is it doesn't have a rotating bezel. That's a fixed bezel. And if you guys know me and my, what I like watches that have movable features on it. I like to have that rotating bezel. I like to have, subdials that actually work properly and have a meaning to them instead of the phony watches. But otherwise, good quality watch, especially for the $12 price range. I would definitely recommend it if you're not hung up on that immovable bezel. But obviously, once again, Chinese quartz movements, mineral crystals, nothing special or outrageously, above on any of these watches that I'm showing you today. They're just basic quartz movements with mineral crystals, Chinese quartz, nothing special. Now, the watch that I actually have to show you guys, the title of the video, the $8 luxury watch. We'll get into that in just one second. But I just wanted to kind of go over the watch that I'm wearing. This is an Olevs watch. And this watch was somewhere in the neighborhood of 25 to 30 bucks. I did buy one, and about a month after I bought it, the minute hand started locking up on it. I have repackaged it because they have agreed to refund the money on this watch. Once again, AliExpress has a really good return policy in effect. But basically what ended up happening with this watch is if you look at it there, as I turn, like if I turn it back and then I start turning forward, it starts, the hour hand starts to lock up on that 11 o'clock. So I was able to get another one. They're going to refund my money for this one. The new one that I got works great. But Olevs watch, I will actually post the link to this as well. They have many different colors of this watch. They've got the red. I think they've got a green. I have quite a few of them. I've got the bluesy, which is the blue one. They've got quite a few of these Olev watch styles. There's even like a gold one. This one's a little bit more of a Daytona look to it. But Olevs is a great watch. You're going to pay a little bit more for the Olevs watches, somewhere in the neighborhood of $25 to $30 on AliExpress. If you go to Amazon, probably about $35 to $40 for one of these Olevs watches. But guys, I've got a ton of these Olevs watches and I love every single one of them. They're great, great watches. So now, this is the watch that the video is all about. This is an Arlanc watch. Believe it or not, $8. $8 will get you this watch on AliExpress. Somewhere around $8. But either way, great watch for $8. Let's take a look at it. It's designed the Pepsi Cola style Arlanc watch. I can't even believe this watch is $8. Like, rotating bezel, yes. Chinese quartz movement, yes. It's got the mineral crystal, but it's a little bit loose. The band's not, extremely tight. But guys, $8, man. Even if you wear this thing like one night out and throw it away, you're getting your money's worth out of it. It's got a really, really nice look to it. Really, really nice sheen. Just a very nice looking watch for the price of $8. So I'm going to post a link to this in the description below so you guys can check this out and maybe pick up some of these other watches too. But you can start a pretty decent watch collection for somewhere around $60 with everything shown on this table. Maybe $75. You could have 6 or 7 watches. And that's what the channel is all about. Getting you guys to the point where you can purchase watches and start a watch collection without having to break the bank. So if you guys do like this video and you like this concept, please stay tuned. Give me that thumbs up, like, and definitely subscribe so that you can see more of these videos. Once again, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should ever have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if you want to check out my website, that's at davethewatchman.com, where I showcase the watches that I do review here, and I post affiliate links so you guys can head on over and pick them up and wear them for yourselves. So until next time, I hope you guys all had a great Christmas, and I hope you guys all have an awesome New Year's. Until next time, I'm Dave the Watchman, and I will see you guys all in the next watch review video.